Bet you can't guess what just showed up. Yeah, you can. It's here. Let's open it up. Oh, this box looks amazing. I cannot wait to try this thing out. So here we go. How in the world? Oh, it goes this way. I have not had a new MacBook in so long because I've been using a desktop. Oh, man, these boxes thick. Look at that. There we go. Oh, it's cold. All right, put that right there. So it comes with a charger in the box. Look at that. You get the USB-C cable, some instructions. Ooh, look at those stickers. Oh, that's cool. So I got the silver one, so I got silver stickers. They're finally doing that, it looks like. And then you get, ooh, it's a different fill. It's probably maybe a more paper than just plastic. Yeah, definitely paper. You get the nice big charger brick. With those stickers. Take a look at those. All right, move that off to the side. Okay. All right, let's open this thing up. All right, so this has the latest Big Sur on it. Got the accessibilities connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay, so it looks like I'm just finishing up the process. It's getting set up with iCloud. So here's hoping my internet's faster than what it's been lately. Okay, continue. That's fine. Always share your crash usage with the developers. It helps us out. All right, now we get to set up Touch ID. So let's continue. Place my finger. I haven't had a Touch ID device on a Mac in forever. Okay, so leave a comment down below how you guys like to set yours. Do you do light mode, dark mode, or do you go auto? I always try to do auto, but usually I end up going to the dark side. All right, so everything's set up. Let's take a look at the specs real quick. It's running Big Sur 11.0, 13-inch M1, 16 gigs of RAM, chip Apple M1, display 13.3, storage. I just got the 256. I know a lot of people will be like, oh, how can you do that? I'm a developer. I don't need much space. I don't develop anything too crazy. A couple things with the App Store that I've already kind of looked at a little bit is if you go, I use LumaFusion and they have it. So I'm super excited to try to use this editing and everything because this is the way I edit videos. So the goal is to edit this for the first time, the video that I'm doing now on LumaFusion on the M1. So it'll be the first time I've not done one on an iPad in years. So when you search for an app, let's look at Obtain. In case you didn't know, that is my weight tracker. I can download it. Wow, that's crazy. Let's just look at what it looks like real quick, just because it should be fun. Now this doesn't support, oh, that looks pretty good. That's crazy. Sadly, Obtain doesn't support iCloud Sync yet, so I gotta get busy on that, because then you could actually use it in this fashion. That doesn't look too bad. I mean, it could use some tweaks and stuff, but I thought it was gonna just be the iPhone size. They actually stretch everything out for me. So yeah, there it is. As you can tell, outside looks the same, but it's what's inside that counts this time. Apple has changed the game. If you guys don't know, so what they did, M1 chip in this thing. It's the same type of chip that's in the iPads, the iPhones, stuff like that, just designed for a Mac. Everything's integrated. It's 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 16-core neural engine to do stuff faster. And then also an integrated RAM, which has its plus and minuses because, you know, with the laptops, they've never really let you upgrade the RAM for like the last 10 years or so anyway. It's going to be interesting to see how they do the desktops and stuff like that once you can, like, not the Mac Mini, because that's about the same as a laptop. But when they add this into an iMac and stuff like that, how they're going to work with that kind of limitation, or if they will open that up. But supposedly with the integrated RAM, because it's only 16 gigs is the max, which in my Mac Mini back here, I have 32. So that's going to be interesting. But with the integrated, it's supposed to be way faster and do everything super fast. So, but this is not for everybody. Apps are not going to be ready for it. Luckily for me, if you guys don't know, I am an Apple app developer. I don't work for Apple. I work for a company. I make iPhone apps, iPad apps, stuff like that. And I have a couple on the side as well. Luckily for me, this is the perfect machine because it allows me to develop apps. You know, Apple has to make apps and they have to have their apps to make apps already ready to make apps. Does that make sense? Sure. Crystal clear. But anyway, so this is perfect for me. You know, if you're doing a lot of Photoshop stuff, that's not ready yet. So you might as well hold off a little bit if you can. I mean, it will work, but there may be some quirks and stuff like that. Same thing, like if you do video editing, you're good. You know, Final Cut Pro should work perfectly fine on this if you use that. If you use Adobe, once again, it's one of those like probably will work, but may not work as well. And, you know, if all you use is iPad apps and stuff like that, you might be okay with this because it can run a bunch of them. As long as the developer allows it to be in the store. The developer has to check mark it to say, yes, it's okay, or uncheck it to say, no, it's not. I think it's like a automatically in unless you say no. So yeah, but I can't wait to play around with this. I'm going to be playing around with it all week. I'll have more to say next week about it, I am sure. If you have any comments, hit me down below. Anything you want me to try on this thing, anything, you know, I'm here for you guys. So let me know if you like this content, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe. And if you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. I can take it. It's no big deal. So yeah, I'm going to go play with this thing. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.